Hello, everyone. Today, I'm excited to share with you a wonderful gift idea that will make your baby's first year unforgettable. Baby Milestone Cards. These cards are the perfect way to commemorate each month of your baby's growth and create lasting memories. Let's dive into how you can make these adorable cards and how to use them to capture those precious moments. First, let's talk about the materials you'll need to create these milestone cards. You'll need paper with the months written on them, scissors or a cutter to cut them into circles, glue, and a few blank sheets for added sturdiness. Now, let's go step by step through the process of making these cards. Begin by cutting the paper into circles, each with the name of the month on it. For example, 1 month, 2 months, and so on, until you have 12 circles, each representing a different month. Once you've cut out all the circles, the next step is to reinforce them for durability. To do this, take 2 blank circles and glue them to the back of each milestone circle. This not only makes the cards sturdier, but also gives them a more polished look. After you've reinforced all the circles, glue the next month's circle to the back of the previous one, creating double-sided cards. For example, on one side, you'll have 1 month, and on the other side, 2 months. Repeat this process until you have 6 double-sided milestone cards, covering all 12 months of your baby's first year. These milestone cards are fantastic for capturing monthly photos of your baby. Each month, place the corresponding card next to your baby and snap a picture. These photos can be shared on social media or saved as a cherished keepsake to look back on as your baby grows. It's a fun and meaningful way to document your baby's development month by month. Now, let's talk a bit about your baby's development during these first 12 months and why these milestones are so special. 1 month. At 1 month old, your baby is just beginning to adjust to the world outside the womb. They start to recognize voices and may even make their first cooing sounds. This is a time when your baby is mostly focused on eating, sleeping, and getting used to their new environment. 2 months. By the 2nd month, your baby might start to smile at you, a significant milestone known as the social smile. They also begin to track objects with their eyes and show more interest in their surroundings. 3 months. At 3 months, your baby will likely be able to lift their head and chest during tummy time, showing increasing strength and muscle control. Their hands start to open and close, and they may even reach for toys. 4 months. By 4 months, your baby might start to roll over from their tummy to their back. They also begin to show more emotions, like laughing and expressing excitement. 5 months. At 5 months, your baby's hand-eye coordination improves, allowing them to reach and grasp objects more effectively. They also start to babble, experimenting with different sounds. 6 months. By 6 months, many babies are able to sit up with little or no support. They begin to eat solid foods and might even show the first signs of teething. 7 months. At 7 months, your baby's curiosity grows, and they might start to explore their environment more actively. They can transfer objects from one hand to the other and may start crawling. 8 months. By 8 months, your baby's communication skills are developing rapidly. They might start to understand simple words like no or bye-bye and could start pointing at things they want. 9 months. At 9 months, many babies are pulling themselves up to stand and cruising around furniture. They also begin to develop a pincer grasp, allowing them to pick up smaller objects. 10 months. By 10 months, your baby might be able to stand alone for a few seconds or take their first tentative steps. They are becoming more interactive and enjoy playing games like peekaboo. 11 months. At 11 months, your baby's personality is really starting to shine. They may start to say simple words like mama or dada and can follow simple directions. 12 months. By the time your baby reaches their first birthday, they might be walking or getting close to it. This is a major milestone that marks the transition from infancy to toddlerhood. Their understanding of the world and ability to communicate has grown tremendously over the past year. Using these milestone cards, you can capture each of these precious stages of development. Imagine looking back at these photos and seeing how much your little one has grown and changed month by month. It's a beautiful way to create a tangible timeline of their first year. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video inspires you to create your own baby milestone cards. Enjoy making these special memories with your little one, and happy crafting.